little red dot says we're live. I'm super excited to go over this form with you today. If you're a real estate agent or if you're an aspiring real estate agent, the better you know this form, the easier your job will be. I absolutely promise you. Doing an estimated cost to buyer on a USDA loan today, as the title up above says, USDA example, estimated cost to buyer. Of course, if you're not on my team or if you're not at eXp Realty, then you'll want to find everything with your own broker, guys. This is an example to help you become a better, more efficient agent so you can be more successful. All right, so of course, real simple up top, you put the address. So I'm just going to write address, because if I put an actual address, they might, the YouTube or the Facebooks, they might take this down saying that I'm doing too much personal information. So I'm going to put address. And then sales price, let's say this is a $170,000 USDA home that is being purchased by your customer. So we'll just put $170,000 right there. And then I don't believe USDA has mortgage insurance. I don't believe USDA has mortgage insurance. Verify that with the lenders, of course. Things are always changing in that aspect, and I'll try to verify that too, and I'll put an update down in the comments below. But I don't think they have mortgage insurance. So let's say there's $170,000. Oh, what's going on right here? Oh, the total loan amount. Okay, sorry. The total loan amount right there, $170,000 USDA, zero down, and then it auto-populates total loan amount. Questions on that so far? All right, and then at the time of this video, it's April 16th. Let's say that we're going to be closing this on May 31st, just as an example. And then when I'm using a USDA loan, I click the FHA column. I click the FHA column for a USDA loan. And then the down payment on USDA loans are typically $0. So I just type in 0 right there. Pretty straightforward. And then whatever you charge your customers for you to help them as a buyer's agent, you put that in right there. Remember, commissions are negotiable. I just put in a number, guys. I just put in a number. Commissions are negotiable. You got to be so careful about commissions nowadays with all these lawsuits and stuff going along. But you put in there what you charge. And then right here, seller concession, seller buyer agent concession, or listing agent co-broke. Now, if the seller is offering a buyer agent concession, or if the listing agent is offering a co-broke, then you put that amount right there, whatever that amount is, whatever it is, guys. And be sure to put a negative sign. That's how you complete that portion, the broker fee portion of the estimated cost to buyer. You guys with me? Any questions? Put them in the comments down below. If you want to schedule one-on-one, click on my calendar link, book buyer agent help, book a time with me, and we can go over this in depth on a one-on-one call. Appraisal fee out in rural areas, I'm going to say at minimum $750. At minimum $750. Credit report, this will vary lender by lender. This is an estimate, guys, estimate. The lender inspection fee, tax service fee, underwriting fee, doc prep fee, and then flood cert. All these fees will vary lender by lender, but I put $750 for the appraisal fee, $22 for the credit report, $50 for the lender inspect, $50 for the tax service, for the shipping fee, $495 for the underwriting fee, and $425 for the doc prep fee, and $40 for the flood cert. Any questions on that? That's what I put, guys. This is a simple follow along, line by line, USDA estimated cost to buyer form. Questions on that? Okay. Prepaid interest. I always put 30 days worth of prepaid interest on there, guys. So right now, depending on what the interweb says, interest rates are at, I'm going to use 7% as an example. So $170,000 loan times 0.07 means you're going to have interest of almost $12,000 per year. And then I'm going to divide that by 12, and that's going to give me $991.67 worth of 30 days interest. So 991.67. And I just put 30 days right there, 30 days. Hazard insurance on a $170,000 house, guys, I'm going to say around $2,500. And then it's not in a flood zone. More than likely, it's not going to be a flood zone. Always check the flood zone certificate and tell them to ask their lender to pull that flood cert immediately if the property is near a creek or a pond or anything like that. Protect your buyer. Don't get into inspections. Don't get into the appraisal if you think the home's going to be in a flood zone. Protect the buyer. Hazard insurance, $2,500 divided by 4 gives us 3 months, so 2500 divided by 4 gives us 625 right there, 625. And then for county property taxes on a rural property like this, let's just say the taxes are 1% on a rural property like this. That's an example only, guys. Look at the tax records, see what it's coming for properties like that. So I'm going to say $1,700 annually on the taxes. And then I want to divide that by 3 real quick. Let me go over here to the calculator. 1,700 divided by 3 gives me 566, 567. 567. We're only putting good numbers on this estimated cost form. We're not putting any bad numbers on it. Scrolling on down right here, guys. Title company fees, just like everything, guys. Title company fees have been going up that I've seen on my closing statements for my customers that I'm helping, whether they're selling or buying homes. Your area, check with your title companies. I feel like the closing fees are going up across the board. So I'm going to do 175, 175, 175. Remember, this is a buyer cost sheet, guys. Where I get my title insurance estimates is at Old Republic Title. So I just go over to Old Republic Title rate calculator, and I go to the state that I'm in, Oklahoma. Select your closing date. Pretty self-explanatory rate calculator. Very, very helpful. Very, very helpful. And then I show this to buyer too when I do their estimated cost sheet in person. So calculate. So $840 on the lender side. And then owner's coverage, I'm going to put $100. I'm going to put $100. A lot of people are like, oh, it's only $50. Guys, rates have been going up. Rates have been going up. I'd rather overestimate an estimated cost to buyer than underestimate an estimated cost to buyer. So those are your title fees right there. Closing fee, exam fee, attorney fee, insurance, owner's coverage, and gap check. This is the buyer estimated cost sheet in Oklahoma. This is an example of USDA loan. Questions on that section? Remember, guys, you can book a one-on-one with me. We can go in depth on all your buyer needs. And then, of course, if you're not already at eXp Realty, then you have to verify everything with your brokerage. But, full disclosure. Recording fees, I'm going to put $23. Now, it could be as low as $18. It absolutely could. But I'm going to put 23 because I like to overestimate, not underestimate. Mortgage certificate, I'm going to go ahead and put $275 because it's rural. If they're getting a termite inspection, I'm going to put $100 on a termite inspection. That's typically the going rate where I'm at. A home inspection, $450 for rural properties, USDA loan, rural properties. I'm going to say $450 on a $170,000 house. Now, if they have anything else like septic or anything like that, or water, you got to be sure to if it's on a rural well and it has a septic system, you have to make sure to put in the estimate for the well inspect and the water inspect too. So I'm going to put another $350 right there. So $450 plus $350 gives me $800 in inspections. $800 in inspections. And you got to check your home warranties too, guys. Home warranties have been going up. A basic home warranty that I've been seeing across the board with the home warranty company that I've done business with in the past, and I've done business with lots of home warranty companies, and I will tell customers they're 50-50. They're 50-50. But I'm seeing the basic one at $750. So that's $375 each. And usually you can get a seller and a buyer to half a home warranty. So I'm going to put $375 right there. And then if it's a rural property and no fences, you definitely want to talk to them about the difference between an MIC report and a survey. An MIC report and a survey. And in Oklahoma, the customer pays for the MIC. So, well, I already have it up above. I already have it right here. And then it's down here too. So mortgage certificate, I like to put it up there, guys, because it keeps it different from the survey. So that brings our total USDA closing cost to $9,703.67. $9,703.67. Let's say the buyer offers half of that up above the sales price. So they offered, let's say the home was for sale for $167,500. $167,500. So they're getting half of those closing costs paid for. $167,500 minus $170,000. I didn't do that right. Okay, let's say they're getting $2,500 credit from the seller. So I just plug that in right here. And then less their earnest money deposit right there. And then, so what they'll need when they come to closing is $6,203.67. $6,203.67. And that right there, folks, is how you complete the estimated cost to buyer form. Guys, if you've got questions on this form, rewind it, watch it again, plug it in, verify everything with your own broker. Of course, I'm not your broker. And if you've got any questions whatsoever about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success and you're not ready to give me a call yet, I've got a short 9-minute video to show you how amazing eXp Realty is, the company that Glenn Sanford built that is literally about agent success, guys. If you're a broker owner, team leader, seasoned agent, or new agent, and you're looking at a new home for a brokerage, I'd love to chat with you about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success. Let's watch this short 9-minute video right now on exactly how eXp does that.
Welcome to eXp Realty. This is an overview of one of the most innovative real estate brokerage models today. A global community designed, powered, and owned by our agents and partners, transforming the real estate experience. Our family of agents build their own businesses while having equity opportunities in eXp World Holdings. As technology has transformed entertainment, hospitality, transportation, and retail, it's now transforming the real estate industry. There's been little to no innovation with the old-fashioned real estate models. Franchise brokerages all start with the company at the top, which feeds down to regions, followed by offices or market centers, followed by a local manager or team leader. The focus was on the brokerage and their brand, not on the agent and their business. The evolution of real estate brokerages has always been driven by how agents get paid. This can be clearly seen with eXp's growth compared to old-fashioned models. At eXp Realty, we've eliminated old-fashioned bloat by removing franchises, territories, brick and mortar, and redundant layers of management. By doing this, we've created opportunity to give equity back to the agents and have made the agent the focal point of their business. We do this by having multiple income opportunities within our model and leveraging our fully immersive cloud office environment where agents enjoy 24/7 access to state-of-the-art collaborative tools, coaching, support, and socialization. eXp Realty continues to experience consistent record-breaking year-over-year growth with a mission to reach 1 million agents globally. It all began in the United States and Canada, with eXp Realty perfecting the model over the first 10 years, laying the foundation for our global expansion. Our international footprint now expands over 6 of the 7 continents. Our core values define our culture and ensure decisions are always aligned. Like being agile allows us to make adjustments at any time for our agents and their clients. eXp is at the forefront of technology. Every agent gets their own lead generation CRM system called KV Core. For a non-eXp agent, it could cost over $5,000 a year. This industry-leading system provides you with a behavioral-driven, personalized IDX website, CRM, email, and text campaigns. You'll always be notified of your contact's behavior, helping you convert and close more transactions. SkySlope allows agents to manage their business totally paperless. This all-in-one transaction management system helps you effortlessly stay organized with your transactions. All of your important data is contained on one detailed checklist, so you have everything in one place. One of our top priorities is building our own technology. Our back office business intelligence center gives agents both autonomy and great visibility into their business. Within your dashboard, you'll be able to monitor your performance metrics, commissions, revenue share, equity awards, transactions, and more. Whether you need a quick postcard or a full presentation, the eXp Marketing Center has it all. You can edit marketing collateral within minutes by choosing from over 5,000 marketing pieces. In fact, when a new listing is added to your MLS, you'll get an email with marketing items created automatically for your listing. Welcome to eXp World, our 3-dimensional virtual cloud-based office environment. Meet, learn, and collaborate with agents and staff from anywhere with an internet connection. Join a meeting or training within a community via your phone, tablet, or computer. In eXp World, agents get real-time live support from our over 1,000 full-time staff members. Access over 80 hours of live training weekly in eXp World. Our training focuses on industry best practices, how to grow profitable real estate business, professional development, and much more. These sessions are taught not only by our highly experienced training department professionals, but also by our top producing agents and teams from around the world. eXp Realty agents also have access to Workplace by Facebook, which is a dedicated and secure working space to connect, communicate, and collaborate with other agents and eXp staff. You'll be able to use familiar Facebook features like newsfeed, groups, messages, and events to get things done quickly and efficiently. We understand that some agents enjoy the office setting from time to time, which is why every agent at eXp gets a global membership to Regus shared offices and their new brand spaces. Regus offers 3,000 office locations in over 900 cities in 120 countries. Every agent at eXp has the opportunity to become a shareholder in eXp World Holdings. Earn equity awards for closing your first transaction each year, capping each year, and every time an agent you attracted joins eXp and does their first transaction. Our agent equity program helps agents prepare for retirement. You can elect to take 5% of your gross commission per transaction and buy the company's stock at a 10% discount. Our ticker symbol is EXPI. Note that some stock awards are subject to vesting. eXp's Icon Agent program is unmatched within the industry. Our founder, Glenn Sanford, strongly believes that top producing agents should be rewarded for their contribution. There are 2 ways to qualify for Icon status: $5,000 paid in post-cap transaction fees, or $500,000 annual GCI with a minimum of 10 closed transactions. When you achieve Icon status, you'll receive 100% of your cap that you paid to eXp back in the form of company stock, essentially putting you at a 100% commission split. One of the most exciting aspects of our compensation plan is our revenue sharing model, which allows you to build a monthly leveraged income by attracting productive agents to the company. Here's a breakdown of how the revenue sharing model works. Tier 1 contains the agents that you personally attracted to the brokerage. For each transaction on this tier, you'll get 3.5% of their total commission. This amount is taken out of eXp's 20%, not out of the agent's 80% commission. Once the agent has hit their annual cap, they start receiving 100% of their commissions. You therefore no longer receive income from their deals for the remainder of the year, which is why the max you can earn on this tier per agent is $2,800. You can earn on all 7 tiers, but it's contingent upon how many agents you've personally attracted to the brokerage and their level of production. For example, if you attract 5 producing agents, you earn exponential share in commissions on Tier 1 and Tier 2, which are agents that your Tier 1 agents attracted. If you attracted 10 producing agents, you earn exponential share in commissions on Tier 1, Tier 2, and also on Tier 3, which are agents that your Tier 2 agents attracted. On Tiers 4 through 7, you'll still receive a reduced share in commissions, which is called our expansion sharing. So let's go through a quick example of how you can create a monthly leveraged income through the revenue share program. Here's you. You personally attract 5 capping agents. Then, each of those 5 agents attract 5 capping agents of their own, giving you 5 agents of Tier 1 and 25 agents on Tier 2. For the 5 capping agents on Tier 1, you earn up to $2,800 each. And for the 25 capping agents on Tier 2, you earn up to $3,200 each, giving you an annual leveraged income of up to $94,000. But note that these figures are based on each one of these agents capping, which is approximately selling $2.7 million of real estate per year, with an average commission of 3%. You can speak to an eXp agent or staff member for further explanation. Express offers a revolutionary new home selling option for homeowners who want to skip the hassle and uncertainty of a traditional home sale. The platform connects sellers with institutional buyers who can pay cash and close quickly. Unlike other iBuyer platforms, Express Offers allows agents to receive real estate commissions. At eXp, you'll never pay a desk fee, royalty fee, or franchise fee. Every agent is treated equally and is on an 80-20 split, which caps each year at $16,000. You then receive 100% commission for the remainder of your year. Here's the amazing part. It's only $149 to join eXp, and that includes your first month's $85 brokerage fee. On each transaction, there's a $25 broker review fee and a $40 risk management fee. The risk management fee caps at $500 each year. We're also excited to announce that we've added a low-cost healthcare alternative. Our agents get a one-on-one virtual consultation to ensure they've selected the right plan. eXp Realty continues to set industry records, becoming the #1 independent brokerage in the U.S. for closed transactions. For more information, reach out to the agent who shared this video with you.
All right, guys. Questions on the estimated cost to buyer? Book a call down below or put them in the comments. I'll get them answered. I'll figure out about USDA's what is it called, funding fee. I don't think there is one. Or MIP insurance. I don't think there is one. I'll find that out. I'll put them down in the comments below. And then, of course, if you're a broker owner, team leader, a seasoned agent, or a new agent, and you want to know more about how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success, absolutely book a call down below about joining eXp Realty. We can have a one-on-one in-depth. I can do a screen share, show you every single thing about how eXp Realty is built for agents and not for franchise owners, not for big corporations on Wall Street, stuff like that. It's built for you, the agent. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. And share this video with anyone who's having trouble with the estimated cost to buyer. It's a pretty straightforward video, I think, on the estimated cost to buyer. See you guys on the next one.